What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So I thought I'd make this video for you guys on this method I've been doing for the last couple of months. And basically, I've just been selling YouTube accounts. So you can actually make quite a bit of money selling YouTube accounts. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of time consuming, at least the way that I'm doing it, because I use Google Trends for it. Because Google Trends gives you unlimited amount of traffic, 100% free. So basically, I just take that traffic, send it to the YouTube channels, build it up, and then sell the YouTube account. It's like super simple stuff. Now again, you have to actually know how to get traffic. So if you don't know how to get traffic, this isn't going to work for you. Just be 100% honest. Like, there's nothing that, like, it's just not going to work. You can't just put up videos and just expect to get traffic. It's not going to work. You have to actually know how to drive traffic to the videos, get people to subscribe, get the view count, get it monetized, and then that's when you're going to again be able to sell it. A lot of people cannot do that, so that's why this skill or these accounts or whatever you want to call it is so valuable, right? So again, just quick recap. Literally, all you do is you set up your YouTube account. You put up some videos, whether it's your videos or someone else's videos, and then basically you just get traffic to those videos, right? And then from there, those people subscribe to the account, so they subscribe, and then of course you're going to get the view count, and then from there, the account gets monetized, and then from there you find someone, you can go on these sites right here. These are really good sites right here. Like, this is playerup.com. I'm on here like all the time, so this is a good one right here. There's a few other ones as well. You guys can do a simple Google search, and then you just basically post on a few of those, and then literally your buyer is going to come to you. It's literally just that simple. So it depends on the niche that you do it in as well. So let's say let's say you were in the making money online. It's like how this channel is here, right? So let's say the making money online, and let's say we got a regular everyday one, right? So let's say that's like a fight video channel or something like that, where all it is just fights and stuff like that. This channel over here could have way less subscribers, way less views, and you will literally be able to sell it for probably like 10 times more than what this one will go over here, because there's no value, right? There's nothing over here. Now don't get me wrong, you can get some sponsors and stuff like that once this channel is big and stuff like that, but if you're just trying to again get it to the 1,000 subscriber mark, and the view count and whatnot, again, you're going to be able to sell the making money online niche one a lot higher than just some random fight video, because these are business owners over here. Like, literally one video could be worth thousands of dollars depending on the video series you got on the channel, the subscriber following, the whole 9 yards. If you got just fight videos, these are just regular, everyday, typical, regular people or whatnot, so they're not business minded, stuff like that. So that's it's just strictly entertainment over here, right? So keep that in mind. The niches do matter or whatnot, but again, even on a fight video, you can still sell that for a couple $100. And then for those videos, since they're mindless videos, they actually gain a lot of traction really fast, and it's actually easy to build those channels up really fast in that niche, because everyone's quick to share someone getting killed, everyone's quick to share a video of someone getting raped, everyone's quick to share a video of a dog getting fucked up or something. It's just crazy nonsense stuff, things you would think wouldn't go viral and stuff like that, or wouldn't like shouldn't be shared on their profile or whatnot. People share that stuff all day long, but when it comes to the making money online, it's, oh, I don't know if I should have that on my profile. My friends and stuff might think that's a scam, but you have no problem tagging them in a fight video of someone getting beat, killed, or jumped. Like, you see how ignorant that sounds? Just mind-blowing how that goes. But yeah, guys, this is a very, very, very simple method here. Again, you have to know how to get traffic, or this will not work. Just wanted to make this quick video for the people out there who already know how to get traffic. Maybe you guys didn't think about this, but it's actually very simple. Literally, again, make the YouTube channel, put up your videos, get subscribers and views, and then once your monetization is enabled, 100% good to go, and then you literally just sell it to someone, and then you just cash out, and then you literally repeat the process over and over and over. So my Google Trends people, you guys already know about this or whatnot. That's what I teach inside the course or whatnot. So basically, all you would do is try to get like 5 or 10 accounts going per month, depending on how much time you have. And then if you sold them off for, let's say, $1,000 right there, boom, you get anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Now again, this method, well, at least the Google Trends way of whatnot, depends on how you get your traffic. I get all my traffic through Google Trends for this method here, because obviously I don't want to pay for anything. Like ever since I started Google Trends, I legit don't pay for any traffic anymore. Like obviously I'll still run some, every now and then, for like for the YouTube, I mean, for the Team DeAngelo members and stuff like that, I'd always be testing and stuff like that, so I can update the training or whatever. But for the most part, like a lot of my traffic comes from just 100%. Well, not 100%, but pretty much just from the Google Trends or whatnot. Again, Google Trends is amazing. I literally bought my house that I'm recording this video in right now in a week and a half, like 10 days. I bought this house cash with my earnings from Google Trends. So don't sleep on Google Trends, guys. It's absolutely amazing. And I don't know. I'll let you guys know. And if I ain't gonna say, I'll let you guys know in the future. If I put that on sale or something. But yeah, like I said, I just make a crap ton of money with Google Trends. So the odds of that going on sale is, I don't know. I'll let you guys know. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And if you guys got any questions, simply drop them down below.